Hello, my name is Derek Hoover. Today I'm going to be explaining standing waves and how to calculate certain frequencies that'll get you standing waves. Some things you'll need for this are just a tape measure, cell phone calculator, and a pen and a pad of paper. There's some things we'll need to define before we get started. The first is a standing wave. A standing wave is just a wave that occurs when sound is reflected off a parallel wall and back on its own path. The next is a node, which is a point of no motion. The wave, and lastly we have an antinode, which is a position of maximum amplitude. Why are standing waves unwanted? Because they affect the volume of the wave, making it softer or louder depending on where you're standing in the room. Also, there are certain things that can be done to avoid them, such as dampening the sound. You can get double-walled glass, make the walls not parallel when you're building your studio, and also you can have a bass strap, which will reduce out some of the noise as well. The first thing we need to do is measure the distances of three parallel surfaces. We'll start by measuring this length. There's 12 feet. It's 50. Alright, so we are looking at 4 plus 50 equals 94 divided by 12, 16.2 feet. We'll take our next measurement lengthwise across the room. Alright, and it looks like we're going to be 12 feet exactly. Alright. So we have 16.2 for the first measurement, 12 for the next, and lastly we'll do the height of the room, our last parallel surface. And looks like 95 inches. So we're looking about 7.9 feet. Alright, next we need to determine the equation used for the calculation of these frequencies, which is lambda, or the length in feet, equals velocity over frequency in hertz. Something that should be noted here is that the temperature for the room is theoretically 68 degrees, and also the velocity is 1,130. So we actually convert that to the frequency, which is our variable we're determining, equals velocity, which is 1,130, over our lengths that we just measured. So I'll go ahead and calculate those real quick. The first one, we have 1,130 divided by 16.2, and with significant figures, the lowest is 3 for 16.2. So our answer will actually be 69. The real answer is 69.7530864. So we'll round that up to 69.8. So that's our first one. Next we have our other length this way, which was 12 feet. So 1,130 divided by 12 equals 94.16. Repeating. There's only two significant figures here, so our answer is actually 94 for the second measurement. And for our last measurement of 7.95, we actually get 1,130 divided by 7.95 equals 142.13836, which rounds to 142 with significant figures. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. See you next time.